I turn these hoes on while you lame niggas keep them off. The only thing you bust was a nut when you beating off. Say you feel evil, you might as well keep a cross. I'm about to eat you. Forgot to bring the Caesar salt. Yeah, I'm from the Keys, but why would you claim this town? You couldn't fuck with me if we bustin' the same bitch down. I stump the yard and I ain't talking about Chris Brown. Show you how we get down, your chick'll get dick down. And I never trust another sucker. You can run and tell that I said your brother is a buster, I'm a beast. Every time I fuck, I bust the rubber. You can get your head cracked just like a clucker, motherfucker. I beat up the track and I'm banging, damaging. I eat up your snacks, better bring some sandwiches. I mean this fucking nigga need anger management. Put your needles up cause I'm about to bring the hammers in. You spit dictionary, my words ain't in the book yet. Got that raw shit like my turds ain't been cooked yet. Ain't I'm up high like a bird that ain't looked at. You niggas just some pussy. Time for me to have some good sex. I slang rocks on the block and the raindrops when that thing pop. Turn your hoodie to a tank top. Bop, bop.